Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've been joined by Juliet.
Hi.
And we're going to be having a little chat at something that we were asked to try. And we'll tell you what it's all about in a minute. So when we were at the show, we did some accessory videos, and we did one on particular. It was on the body rag company.
Carol demonstrated it for us.
Yeah, Carol, it's there, and she said to us, "Well, why don't you try them? You know, take a few of them away, try them, and see what you think." So I was a little bit sceptic at first because when I felt them, they didn't feel like a normal towel. So your brain thinks in a different way. But I'll explain more about that in a minute. Anyway, I'll get Juliet to explain a little bit more.
The main thing is, well, when I was speaking to Carol, I was looking at was the Poncho. Now, I was very interested in this because we have a grandson, Alfie, and we wanted him to try it because when he goes to the showers, he leaves things behind, he forgets stuff, he drops it, and we thought that'd be great. Go into the showers or the swimming pool, which is what we did when we went away at Easter. And said he went into the swimming pool, walked there in it, and then after he went swimming, took it off and put this straight on, and then dried himself off a little bit, as children do, and it was great. He was dry. He liked the feel of it as well, didn't he?
Yeah.
So he said, yeah, he carried on wearing it all the time we were away when we went swimming. So it was.
But they don't feel like a towel, do they?
It doesn't.
This has been my point, by the way. They don't feel like a towel, but yet, you know, they're made of microfiber, but yet they don't feel like the microfiber towels that I use to chamois down the.
They don't feel nylon
the car.
when you touch them.
No.
So that was really good. I was asked to test the hand one, mainly said to dry my hair because I have quite thick hair and it takes ages to dry. Now I went swimming and washed my hair and dried this off and came back and my hair was not dripping down my neck. I thought it really did dry me very quickly. I was really pleased with that. Now you was the one that was really apprehensive about trying it, didn't you?
Yeah, I was. Basically because
it didn't feel like
a towel, as I've discussed. It just did not feel like a towel. I tried this one, which is slightly bigger. Now, I decided that because I shower in the caravan, I decided that I was going to use it for that. So I showered in the caravan while we were away, and I tried this for the first time. I did feel, at first I thought, this is strange, but what surprised me is how quickly this dried me. And then we could hang it up and how quick it dried after I'd used it, you know. We have conventional towels just like everybody else. And as you'll know, the one thing that takes the longest in the caravan to dry when you get them wet is towels. You know, they clutter your awning or your sun canopy. You put them out on these whirligig things outside.
No, not all sites like that.
And not all sites will let you have a whirligig dryer, but there you go. But yeah, I was really impressed with it. It just did what they said it'd do, which is drier and dry quickly afterwards, and they're really lightweight. Now, we've been that impressed with these that we're putting an order in ourselves for them, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. Definitely for when we go to France this year, just for the weight saving and the time, because we'll be going swimming a lot. Yeah. And I think we'll need them. I think we'll definitely need them.
I think yeah, I'm like I say, I'm sold on these now. I wasn't at first, but I have to admit I am pretty sold.
Just say one thing though is that wash the dark ones separate from the light ones because they will actually have a bit of colour on the first one. And also, don't use softener. That is the main thing to say, is don't use softener.
And they'll wash up to 90 degrees as well, won't they?
They will, they will. So I was said is they wash really nice.
Well, that's our conclusions and thoughts on the body rag.
It is.
If you're interested, I'll leave a link below to their website and you can check them out. Well, thanks very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.